Alright guys, so we start out with this, and it may not look too bad, but it's not perfect. So the carpet's faded. You got these little tie down points back here. You know, maybe you got stains in the carpet and whatnot. Maybe there is no carpet. So the idea is to be able to make this look better back here. And I had this board, as you can see. Let me see here. I had this board back here, and I was using it for an amp rack also, but it fits nicely and fills in. But you can see it's got a lot of little spots where I screwed different equipment down on it, so it needs to be made better, and that's what this video is about. So since this is made out of particle board, these little screw holes tend to you know, kind of poof up and stick up above the surface. So I'm going to take my scraper here and just kind of clean these up, get them down to where they're flat again. I could have used some wood putty to fill in what's left of these holes, but I didn't bother. If you were doing this yourself, you want to, at this stage before the Raptor liner goes on, you want to add a little bit of wood filler to your little pinholes, and then do a little more sanding, and you can clean it right up. And of course, this setup, this whole process would work for a sub box that's gotten kind of beat up. You know, maybe the surface of it looks kind of rough. You put some subs in, you pulled them out, put some new ones in, and it's all kind of tore up on the edges. Well, this process would fix that problem. And if you're starting out with a new enclosure or a new trim panel, of course, this Raptor liner stuff works extremely well to give you a look that you're looking for, so you can, you know, sort of be nice and clean and look like a factory panel. It actually does a real good job.